We have already seen how important keywords are. Now we are going to create our posts thinking about the keywords of our products or services. As we indicated above, no one can tell you how to appear on the first page of Google results. So we will review this topic with a real example. We will see how these companies have managed to achieve their objectives. The title of the post. By looking at these examples, we will understand the idea a bit. Photo documents. Propane gas cylinders. It is still normal to use these cylinders in remote farms where home gas service does not reach. Camping tents. ISO 9001 standard consultant. If you could not see the detail, here we explain it better. As you can see, the main keyword is in the title. Its long-tailed variations too. The variations are geographical location, adjectives or characteristics, such as passport, visa, economic, consulting or advisory, etc. For example, if our product is Adidas sport shoes, we would have to indicate the color, obviously the brand, and the city where our store is located. It would be something like, pink Adidas sneaker for women very cheap in Ontario.
PMOTION.